Hi, my name's Matthew.
And I'm Charles.
We're a couple of filmmakers from Nova Scotia. We've been making documentaries, promotional videos, and educational films for nearly 15 years now. Some of the most fun we've had working on projects is working with the Breakfast and Beyond crew. They've asked us here today to share our knowledge of filmmaking with you so that you can make your own Breakfast and Beyond videos.
In this series of videos, we're going to show you how to make your own cooking videos. We're going to take you through the 3 stages of filmmaking, which include pre-production, where you write your script. There's production, where you get your camera and you shoot your video, and post-production, where you take all that footage that you shot and you've edited it into the final video. Let's get started with pre-production. When you decide what recipe it is you want to film, the first part of making your video is going to be pre-production. In pre-production, that's when you write the script that you use to guide you through the video making process. Also in pre-production, you want to make sure that you have all the actors, the locations, the props, and the equipment that you'll need to make your video. When writing a script for a cooking video, we recommend using a split script. A split script divides the script into 2 columns. On the left, you'll have video. On the right, you'll have audio. Video is what you will see in terms of the actors and the different camera angles. Audio is what you will hear, so it's what the actors will be saying or the voiceover that the actors will be saying. You can easily create a split script using either Word or Google Docs. You'll just create a table with 2 columns for your video and your audio, and you'll insert a row for each new scene. Today we're going to use Google Docs to show you how to do this. You can think of a split script as like the recipe for creating your video, and the audio in the video are the ingredients. In the video column, you're going to be describing what the viewer is seeing in your video. To help you do this and think about camera angles, you can use terms like wide shot, medium shot, and close-up shot. That lets you know the camera position that you'll be using. So in our example, we can see it's a medium shot of Charles scooping yogurt into the bowl. In the audio column, you're going to write everything that the person starring in your video is going to say. So this is the information that they'll be saying when they're addressing the camera, or it'll be the audio that you'll be using when you're going to close-up shots of the food preparation. Voiceover is a term that we use to describe the audio a person is saying when they're not addressing the camera. So in this case, with our videos, it'd be audio that's used over the preparation of the food. Once you finish writing your split script, have a read through to see if you like the way that it sounds and if you like all the visuals that you have planned. It's also useful to have someone else read it to offer you some feedback. You can then make any changes you need to make, and then you're ready to start planning for your video shoot. A major part of planning for your video shoot is making sure that you have everything you need for the day of the shoot. The best way to do this is by doing a script breakdown. In a script breakdown, you read through your script to identify all the people, the props, the ingredients, and the locations that you will need for the day of your shoot. In our sample script, we can see that it takes place in a kitchen. That's our location. We want to make sure that we have all our ingredients. That's our yogurt, blueberries, and granola. We want to make sure that we have our measuring cups and utensils. The script breakdown is important to make sure that we have all the items that we'll need and nothing is forgotten on the day of the shoot. Once you finish your script breakdown, the next thing will be to do a technical breakdown. In a technical breakdown, you're making sure that you have all the equipment you need to actually shoot your video. So you want to make sure you have your camera. If you're using lights or microphones, you definitely want to have those. It's always good to have an extension cord and batteries if needed. Think of this as an equipment checklist for your video shoot.
When you have your finished script, script breakdown, and technical breakdown, you finally have all the pieces you need to move on to the production phase.